What's the meaning of cauterize? Cauterize. Cauterize.
Cauterize. Cauterize. The term cauterize refers to the process of burning or searing tissue using a hot instrument or substance. The result of cauterization is typically the destruction of the targeted tissue, which can be used for medical purposes such as stopping bleeding or removing abnormal growths. Cauterization can also be used in cosmetic procedures, such as removing warts or moles, as well as in industrial settings to seal blood vessels or other types of tissue. Overall, cauterization is a medical technique that uses heat to destroy tissue, with different applications depending on the context.